visibility is not just about seen. Yeah. If you're posting content just for you to be visible, let me tell you, you are missing out on the biggest piece of the puzzle. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Arjuman. I am a sales and marketing coach, and I help entrepreneurs to get clients from social media. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click that subscribe icon, bell icon, so you get the notification as well. Yeah. So let's dive in without wasting further time. Let's get real, right? If you really want to be seen in the online space for what you actually do, then posting coffee pics, cats and dog videos, the food pics is not going to help you close clients, right? Let's get real here for just a second. Yeah. Visibility is not about how many posts you post or how many stories you film sipping that your third latte of the day, right? True visibility is when people can finally see you for what exactly you do, for what actually you do, right? And this is something I believe a lot of service-based entrepreneurs are missing in the online space, okay? So it's really not about, you know, your pictures, okay? So it's really about when people know what kind of a problem you solve, what are you known for, what are your expertise, and it's when your name comes to their mind when they realize that, oh my God, I'm stuck with this area and this is exactly where I need help. So are you becoming the go-to expert in their mind? Yeah. So this is when people are actually trusting you enough so that they can pay you, right? So if you have been chasing likes, comments, coffee pics, good vibes, meditation, manifestation, they don't pay bills. They don't get you clients. They are not designed in a way that your content is converting, right? Honestly, I worked with a coach and I want to quickly tell you a story here, right? So I worked with a coach. She has an amazing following on Instagram. She's showing up every single day. She's posting cute quotes, uploading aesthetic coffee shots, okay, even sharing behind the scenes of her morning walk. But her bank account, crickets. She is visible, but she is not seen. Yeah. Now, what do I mean by this? So when I asked her, why do you think that you're visible? You're posting content, you have the followers, still you're not making money. She realized that, she's presenting herself as an influencer and not a business owner, right? It's fine to be an influencer as long as it is working in your favor and people recognize you for what exactly you do. Otherwise, this influencer status is going to just keep you feel so good about those followers, those likes, and those comments, and you're not changing lives. You're not transforming people's life. And as a result, you don't get paid for it. Now, it's your choice, guys. Would you just want to be that influencer who is known? Or you want to be a person who is known for what exactly you do, and at the same time, you get paid. The choice is actually yours. Okay. So now let me tell you like why most of these coaches they stay invisible, even in spite of posting consistently. Yeah. The number one thing I have seen coaches do is they post to get liked, not hired. There's a difference. Yeah. They post motivational quotes because they feel it's good, but that's not selling their offers. The second biggest mistake, they talk about themselves a lot. It's all about me, 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 and nobody cares about me, honestly. It is about your clients' problems, desires, goals. Nobody buys your coaching consulting services to hear how great you are. But people do buy your coaching consulting services so that now they know that what's that urgent problem you can solve for them, right? Number three, they are confused with the progress. So what they do is, oh my God, I have to post 10 posts in a week. But they don't realize that these are the posts that they're doing without a clear message. So when you post without a clear message, that is equal to spinning your wheels, right? And I want you to understand this real reality, the truth, okay? Visibility without clarity is wasted energy. Write it down if you're just focusing on visibility, okay? It's not about just visibility, it's about clarity, so that now you know where you need to invest your energy in, right? It's like you are being a lighthouse in the middle of the desert. Everyone sees you, but nobody knows why you're there. And the worst thing is, nobody thinks that you're the one to help them. Is that a good situation to be in? Let me know in the comments. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. And if you feel like this is going to give value to someone else, feel free to share this video and comment down below your thoughts on this video. All right, so now let's continue. So the new rule of visibility is you are not being everywhere. You are being clear and compelling where it matters the most. Now, what do I mean by this? Number one, pick a platform where your ideal clients are congregating. Yeah. So when you say things like, okay, I help burnt out corporate women reclaim their energy without quitting their jobs. Now you know, where are these corporate women? Are they on LinkedIn? Are they on Facebook? Are they on Instagram? Be in front of them. Or now let me give you another example, like my example. I help coaches sign premium clients without salesy sales calls, without salesy tactics, without DMing people. I know firsthand that people finally will pay attention because my messaging is pretty much clear, to the point, concise, and it is talking to my audience, right? Now, if you have not yet fixed this element, you need to fix this now, okay? So rather than getting obsessed with the coffee mugs or the latte there, get obsessed with the transformation you provide. All right. So stop posting for likes and comments and start posting so that you are able to educate, inspire, and invite people, to understand what exactly you do. So talk about there are a few things that you can do, right? I'm going to give it to you right away. Now talk about the before and after transformation, your clients have experienced after they have worked with you. Share a painful symptom your audience might have or they're living right now with, and they don't even realize that they are going through this, right? Offer a next clear step in terms of how they can work with you. And that's where the call to action comes into place, right? Now, second thing is be a guide and not a hero. There are a lot of people who want to present their best self and they just want to be the hero. Your audience, they don't want to hear another guru. Yeah, you all have seen the gurus on this platform, YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms, right? So be a guide. People are looking for a guide. Position yourself as a bridge from where they are to where they really want to be, so that people see you as an expert, that you can bridge this gap. Does that make sense? Number three, sell the destination and not the airplane. Nobody wants to buy an airplane, right? They want to know where can you take them on fast track in a simplest way so that they can pay you, right? Don't talk about your 8-week program or your 12 Zoom sessions. People really care about what can life looks like for them after they start working with you, right? So sell the outcome, not the process, okay? So when you start doing this, you automatically will see a drastic move in the way you're showing up. And now you're intentional in terms of not just being visible, but talking to your ideal clients in the way you communicate the message, right? Now let's get real, guys. The fact is, if you're actually tired of spinning your wheels, if you're exhausted from just being visible, but still you feel inside that you are invisible, it's time for change. Now it's up to you, okay? All I can do for you is I can exactly help you go from that state of the best kept secret to be seen. And I would invite you to sign up for my Strangers to Clients challenge. You're invited, okay? I can assure you that by end of this challenge, you will at least have an irresistible, high converting offer that effortlessly attracts your ideal clients. You can confidently present your offers seamlessly on social media, in your content, in the live videos, in the workshops, in anything that you do, and also most important in your sales conversation, right? And you will understand how to have a repeatable sales system that turns your audience into paying clients without the stress of uncertainty. So I'm going to leave the link to sign up for the Strangers to Clients Challenge in the description of this video. Go ahead and sign up. And let me tell you, right now, if your situation looks like this, you're struggling with sales, yeah, you're posting, you might even be running ads, but sales are like flat, yeah, and now you don't know how long can I keep on, guessing, how can I afford this, right? You're frustrated because there's endless conversation. You're stuck with people who are just ghosting you and hearing that, oh, I'm not ready again and again, right? You've tried all the kinds of sales tactics on this earth, but it doesn't work. Yeah, you feel like it's not working. Now you're feeling like invisible in the crowded market, and you see that there are coaches who are making $10,000, $20,000 in a month, and you're wondering, like, oh my God, why am I not able to stand out? Why my message is getting drowned, right? You're burnt out, you're exhausted because you're struggling very hard, and you're burning out so fast that you feel like internally that you don't deserve the results, right? Now you're so tired of unpredictable results that one month, maybe you signed up a client and the next month you're panicking, right? It's an emotional and a financial roller coaster ride. If this is your situation currently, what's going to happen in the next 3 days? I'm not going to promise you anything bold here, right? But at least I can definitely assure you from the challenges and the participants, who have participated and what they have actually said is exactly this, right? So people who have participated in this challenge have seen this transformation that I'm just sharing with you right now. They have had a simple, profitable process that can finally, help them without guessing, right? They're no more feel like awkward or begging or chasing because they have an offer that's going to attract, qualify, and convert for you, right? And they have a crystal clear messaging where they know now what type of content works and why messaging is so important and how to communicate this without just posting the coffee mugs or the latte or the pictures of your food or, the beach or whatsoever. Yeah, you will understand how to build a consistent, predictable sales so that you wake up with people asking you like, hey, I just read your post. Hey, I saw your video and I want to know how to work with you, right? So, by the way, you don't need big audience. You don't need to be an influencer. All you need is a crystal clear message. And I don't know, I've heard this from someone, right? So you don't need a bigger audience, you need a clearer message. And that kind of really stuck with me, right? And you definitely, if you feel like you just need this, there is a link in the description. Go ahead and sign up. This could be your time for you to definitely focus on a system that's going to help you. So just posting and not getting anywhere is not a solution, guys. There is this challenge. It's for 3 days and it's a live coaching where I will be your coach for the next 3 days. You can pick my brain, ask any questions, and you will understand the complete process of how we do it and how our clients have been doing it. All right. So what are you waiting for? There's a link in the description. Go click the link, sign up right now, and I'll see you inside. Take care of yourself. And it was a pleasure presenting this video to you. And I hope it was valuable. If it was valuable, do let me know in the comments. And I would see you again. Bye-bye.